Welcome to my project bazaar. Our project title is Efficient Image Geotagging Using Large Databases. In our abstract, in proposed employing an online unsupervised clustering method, location of a self-organizing map to compressing a large image database and lead along a similarity relationship between the different geographical locations. Our methods are achieving promising results when using on a data sets. Finally, we introducing a novel method for classifying the locations that use the clothing information available in the large number of images. In our data flow diagram, user register and login into our process. First, user choosing the images from the our input. After that, image chosen by the user, this image is transferred to the server. In that server side, the server verifying the user, whether the user is a valid user or is a revoked user, whether they check the first level, and after that they verifying the images, whether the images size is fitted into the process, and they checking the image name, image size. After they verifying all the information related to that image and the user, they go to the server process. In that server process, first they load the images. They already having the n number of images that are stored in the large database. In that large database, they load those images into our process. After that, they loaded the images. Initially, they comparing and finding the similarities of the each images that are all present in our database. Comparing and similarity with their original image. Now the original image and the database's images are having the similarity values. Now we filtering those images through the k nearest neighbor process. In that k nearest neighbor, here we find out in the nearest neighbor similarity values related to the original images. After that, we finding the nearest neighbor. In the next step, we finding the accurate images of that user given original image, and then we going to find out the location information of the particular image. For that, here we finding the belongs to which state and belongs to which place, whether the image for example, the image is shown the image of the Meenakshi temple. For that, it view the information related to the Meenakshi temple in the form of Google map. So it display the result in the map format. This is the overall process of our project. Initially, the user giving the image. For that, here we backend we process this image and getting the information of the image, and finally we display those informations in the graph. So this is the overall concept of our process we are achieving in this paper. Let's start our demo. Click the image. After that, the user have to register the information. For that, click the register button. Now user enter their name, email ID, state, username and password. Click that register. Now the information is entered successfully. Now it moves to the main page. Now the user have to log in. For that, user enter their username and password. Now the valid user go ahead. Okay. Now the user going to search. Okay. For that, click the choose image. Choose anyone. For example, if I'm choosing T4, this is the image. The user doesn't know about the locations and the further information. So the user choose this image. Click that next. After that, the information is passed to the server. Here server get the user information, the username, their image path, the image name and their size of the file. After that, in the server side, they're going to searching the particular images in that server. For that, clicking that search image. Okay, this is the process of the server. Here the server loaded the sample images that are all stored in the database. For the viewing purpose, they viewed the sample images they showed. Okay, these are all the sample images that are present in the databases. The next, now we calculating the similarity for the each images with our original image. For that, the calculating the similarity values. After it calculated, we display these are the similarity image name and the similarity values. Next, we calculating the similarity value with the most similar calculation. Here we find out in this most similar values to the k nearest neighbor. So it calculates the most similar images. Next, these are the here we view those similar images using the k nearest neighbor algorithm. So these are all the nearest neighbors images. After that, this is the result information: ID of the image name, and belongs to which state the image. It belongs to the Tamil Nadu, and the places and the image places Meenakshi Amman temple. These are the information of the image. After that, here we finding the location identification. For that, we using this is the mapping or map view of the particular area. Here it shows the Meenakshi Amman temple. So in the Google map, we show the Meenakshi Amman temple, the location of the image is shown in the map.